Check out this 2010 Ford Ranger. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, split bench seat, engine immobilizer, power outlet, ABS, traction control and stability control. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.